Hello, it's Master Hughes. I'm a mess right now. I've been outside using the chainsaw. But what this is about is a lot of you that watch my movies like my movies, but a lot of you don't know much about me. And I have been successful as a pro se litigant in numerous cases, even winning 2 appellate decisions. And because of that, I had put some videos up to help men. You know, the war on man was used through the court to help break down the family by the Democrats. And so, to date, I have men contacting me, Master Hughes, I'm in trouble in family court. What do I do? And I feel sorry for them because the courts are rigged against men. There's no question. And the problem is sometimes in various states, and different states have different laws, and I'm not able to really give anything but general issuance and encourage them or maybe teach them how to look up in their state court cases that are similar to theirs to help them. Most people are not even, they don't come close to being equipped to appear in any court, most people. They are so out of touch, they don't know their legal rights, they know nothing about divorce court especially, and so it's very difficult for me to help them, and I do not encourage them to contact me because they're in different states. I always encourage them to hire an attorney, and if they can't, I encourage them to learn how to determine what the allegations are against them in the state law and look up cases in their local courts in their state. And that is about all I can do, because I have a second problem where sometimes people contact me and they don't understand what the court is saying. And so without documents, I can't even start to understand what's actually going on in that case or what the claims are. A lot of times the claims in these court against men are totally false, bogus. But what I'm saying is I feel sorry for all you guys having to go through this, and I acknowledge that the courts are corrupt, and I try to make you understand that state laws are different in each state, especially dealing with divorce. Divorce used to be just a couple of pages, the rules for divorce. Now it can be just damn near a book. And it's a one big money-making scam contrived by the leftists, the Democrats, to break down the family. Destroy the family, push for the overthrow of the government. Believe it or not, it's related. So what I'm telling you, if you are in divorce court or some kind of legal issue, you have to have somebody who understands the law in your state. The laws can be different. I'm in Texas. And yes, I have been successful. And yes, I can give you an idea of what you've got to do, but a lot of times I encourage you, if you can afford it, and lawyers are crap. I know they're crap. I'm going to be honest with you. Most lawyers are crap. But a lawyer knows the rules of the court. And so you're going backwards when you get in this situation and you don't even understand the rules of the court. You don't understand the law. You know, look up the laws in your family court in your state for divorce to give you a better understanding. And it is a no-win situation. And yes, I have won. I have won several times. I have put a case for the Supreme Court of Texas. I have won 2 appellate decisions. I have also won in various other courts. The average person is not equipped to it. They're not equipped to do it. And I understand people are broke. They don't have the money for these lawyers. So I want to encourage everybody, if you're in that situation, look up the laws in your state pertaining to your situation. If it's divorce court, look for divorce court. If it's a lawsuit, look for a lawsuit. Even here in Texas, I'm not allowed to represent anybody in a lawsuit for awards. I can help in a few other cases, but Texas doesn't allow me. Like if you're in a lawsuit and you're suing somebody for $1 million, I'm not allowed to handle that in Texas. Probably the same in your states. But I feel sorry for you guys. Until the American people wake up and see how rigged the family court was against men, And the purpose was to destroy the family. And they have been effective. If you have seen what's going on, trust me, they're still using children to destroy the family. Some states are using children to get no-knock or warrant or the right to enter somebody's home without a warrant by having the children make false claims against the grandparent or the parents. It's a sad situation. But please look up the law in your state. And then you have to understand, without seeing paperwork, I have no clue what they're claiming or if it's bogus or not. And there are a lot of shit. I was in a case and the lawyer actually ended up under criminal investigation and should have been prosecuted. He wasn't prosecuted, but he was under criminal investigation. That's how dirty some of these lawyers are in divorce court. It's a big joke to them. But anyway, I just want to make clear, I do not encourage people. I encourage people to read the law in their state, maybe talk to a pro bono attorney if he can help them. And that's about all I can do because I don't have your legal papers. I don't see them. I really can't get involved in that because the laws are so different in each state that I can not give you proper information. Look it up online. Find out what they're accusing you of. Look it up online in your state under court cases involving similar things. Read about them. That is the best way to learn how to fight a court case, is actually see what the courts did in previous cases and why they did it. All right, this is Master Hughes. I'm so sorry. My heart bleeds for you guys and you people that can't afford attorneys, as if an attorney doesn't always do you a lot of good. I'll be honest. But anyway, thank you for contacting me. I did send this person a little information, hopefully to help them. The main thing in court is object, 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 but make sure your objections are legitimate. Because if you were to try a appeals, the only thing the appeals court will look at is the objections before they look at the information. If you didn't object, they're not going to consider it. This is Master Hughes. Bye-bye.